Hello once again. Welcome to lesson 6. Lesson 6, we are going to look at a very interesting sound, and that sound is already here. So now, this one is letter U. Letter U. Now, I want you to understand that letter U has two sounds. Let us look at them and we see. So here we read it as ah. Ah. Letter U, we read it as sound ah in this case. So here we say ba, ka, da, fa, ha, ja, la, ma, na, pa, ra, sa, ta. In this case, we are reading letter U as sound ah. Okay? For example, this one we read as ba, s, bus, drum, drum. You see? Ra, ra, run, run. Hat, hat. Gun, gun. Sun, sa, sun. You see? So in this case, we read letter U as sound ah. Okay? Look at another one. So again here, we read letter U as sound oo. Oo. For example, these syllables, we read them as boo, poo, who, true, glue, foo, foo. You get? For example, this one we read as bush, bush, push, push, put, put, full, full, pull, pull, suit, suit, prune, prune. You see? So now you have to understand that letter U has two sounds, sound A and O. So try to practice forming more words using these syllables. Okay? Thank you. Let us move to another lesson.